Looking for one, geez, I think like a long time actually, because I refused to buy one because on something like this I didn't want to compromise at all. You know, if I wanted a black one, I could have had one 6 months earlier. But I was like, no, it's got to be sprint blue. It's got to be it's got to have its DRC. You know, it has to be fully standard and everything like that. And this one came up, and I was very lucky because it was actually up north, just outside Belfast. We didn't have to go getting boats or planes or anything like that to go see it. There are a few mods on this, and they're really tastefully done. Like the calipers are ceramic coated silver, they usually be black, and that's something that really drew me to it as well. There's also a TTRS steering wheel as well, which I think is a great upgrade. So, and that's it. The rest of it is kind of standard, which is great. It has a small map on it, but nothing too aggressive, just to kind of help it breathe better. All done by the guy who had it before me, which is great, because I'm not really into modifying cars. It's not my thing. So I was happy to for him to kind of do it. A lad called John, lovely chap. He had it for a good few years, and he only put about maybe 6,000 miles on it in like 5 years or something. You know, which is great. Like, and like he serviced it every 6 months, regardless if he was using it or not. You know, like his attention to detail is excellent, and the reason why I went for this one, it was everything I wanted, but I knew how anal he was about it, and I knew, like, and I was just like, well, this is a great car, like, because I knew how well he took care of it. The only thing it doesn't have that I would like is carbon ceramics. If they go, it's $3.5 grand for discs, and then $3 grand for pads. So I was just like, well, maybe. Yeah. And done the Nürburgring and Spa in it, so yeah, like I had to wait for the right one. You know, I'm not getting a huge car loan and getting into 5-6 years of debt for something I'm lukewarm about. And I'm an absolute perfectionist as well. Like, I won't settle for anything second best, like, ever. You know, so it had to be perfect. Found it on Auto Trader, and I was looking at the ad for ages. Talking to my dad, and my dad was just like, oh, I don't know, like, and then we just went, fuck him on, if you don't go up and see it, we'll never. And I only went up to kind of have a poke and tire kick, and then he was just like, let's do it. So yeah, it's kind of a dream come true. Like, it's a dream car. Like, there's no car in the world that I want more than this. It was a good day when I saw it and I bought it. Like, if you're absolutely lit in this thing, it'll do about maybe 17, 18 miles per gallon. But if you are sitting in traffic, it'll go down to 11, do you know? Which is just horrible. Yeah, no, I get the bus to work. It's just a weekend toy. It's kind of under the radar. Like, if you know, you know. I think that if with the clear glass, it would make it just a bit more under the radar. These are special. These are good. They'll never be anything like it again.